Buenos días, clase. Today we are talking about expresiones habituales en el salón de clase. This means habitual expressions in the classroom. The teacher at the top of the page says, these are some expressions that I use when I teach Spanish. My students understand all of them. Do you? Let's look. We have siéntense, por favor. Can you figure out what that means? Yeah, it means sit down, please. Siéntense, por favor. Sit down, please. Okay, escriban. He's got a pen in his hand and he's saying escriban. That means write. Write something. Then he says, saquen sus cuadernos. Saquen sus cuadernos. Sacar means to take out. So saquen sus cuadernos, take out your notebooks. Abran los libros. Abran los libros means to open the books. Cierren los libros. So abran, cierren los libros. Cierren los libros means close your books. Close the books. Entreguen sus papeles. Entreguen sus papeles. I want the papers. It's turn in your papers. Entreguen sus papeles. Okay, so today I'd like you to do activity 14 where you're going to copy number 1 through 5. And then instead of matching and drawing a line, what I'd like you to do is just on the same line with number 1, I want you to write the letter and the phrase that is the English translation of that classroom command. And then on activity, the second part of that activity, it says escucha y completa, listen and complete. It says listen to the teacher's instructions and complete them. So number 1, you're going to write what goes in the blank. The instruction is saquen sus libros. Number 1 again is saquen sus libros. Number 2, you're going to complete this instruction. It is cierren los cuadernos. Cierren los cuadernos. And then number 3, it says escriban en sus cuadernos. Escriban en sus cuadernos. Can you figure out what that meant? For number 1, we have take out your books. For number 2, we have cierren los cuadernos. That's close the notebooks. Number 3, we have escriban en sus cuadernos. Yep, that's write in your journals, in your notebooks. Okay, activity 15, instrucciones del libro. You're just looking at what each student is doing and you're matching the instruction on the left-hand side. Your choices are escribe, habla, lee, and escucha. And you decide which ones go with pictures 1, 2, 3, and 4. The next part of activity 15, actividad 15, is match each word with the corresponding activity below. So we have completa, yes, you guessed it, that means complete. We have corrige, that's one that's new for us, that means correct. Then we have une, like unite, une, pair it, match it. Then we have elige, elige means choose. So you match those commands with the activity that you see in each of the green boxes. Then it says habla y representa. It says how good of an actor or actress are you? Give 6 commands to 2 partners. Your partners act them out and switch roles. So you tell somebody, say for example, habla. And they just start saying whatever. Hey, good morning. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hi, good morning. How are you? Let's see, you might say something like saquen sus libros, and they would pull out their textbooks. Okay, so take turns being the teacher and you pretend to give the command to your students and see if your students can follow the instructions in Spanish. All right, well, I hope you enjoy acting these out and learning the classroom commands and habitual expressions in Spanish. Hasta luego. See you later.